cosm. Whoosh.
Imagine standing beneath a vast, star-speckled sky, your eyes drawn irresistibly to the soft glow of Earth's nearest neighbor, the Moon. For millennia, it has captivated humanity, inspiring poets and philosophers, guiding sailors across uncharted oceans, and igniting the imaginations of dreamers everywhere. From the earliest human ancestors gazing upward in awe, to ancient civilizations crafting myths around its mysterious cycles, the Moon has shaped the course of human culture and curiosity. The Egyptians saw in its shifting phases a reflection of eternity. The Greeks pondered it as a distant realm, an enigmatic sphere silently floating through the heavens. For countless generations, the Moon was a source of wonder, fear, and reverence. But beyond myth and mystery lies an astonishing world of tangible beauty and stark contrast. The lunar surface is a silent, haunting landscape, scarred by the collisions of countless asteroids and comets. Each crater is a testament, etched into dust and rock, preserving the stories of cosmic cataclysms billions of years old. Here, in quiet lunar dust, lies the history of our solar system, captured, frozen in time, waiting patiently for explorers to decode its secrets. Our Moon was not always there. Its origin story is a tale of unimaginable violence and extraordinary cosmic drama. Billions of years ago, an object, nearly the size of Mars, collided with a young, fiery Earth. In the aftermath, debris from this monumental collision was hurled into space, coalescing slowly into the serene satellite we know today. It's a story of destruction and rebirth, a powerful reminder of how chaos can lead to harmony. And even from afar, the Moon shapes life on Earth in profound ways. Its gravitational pull governs our tides, influencing the rhythm of oceans and ecosystems alike. Without this gentle lunar dance, life as we know it might never have emerged, or at least would have been vastly different. From coral reefs to coastal communities, the Moon's invisible embrace touches everything around us, quietly orchestrating nature's symphony. Yet, despite its closeness, the Moon remains deeply enigmatic. Its far side, hidden forever from our gaze, shelters enormous mountain ranges, vast plains, and craters far larger than visible from Earth. These unexplored landscapes offer mysteries yet to be solved, inviting humanity once again to journey beyond our planetary home, reaching deeper into the unknown. Today, the lunar frontier is opening anew. Ambitious plans by NASA, ESA, China, Russia, and visionary private companies are reviving humanity's dreams of lunar exploration. Humans are preparing to return, not just to visit, but to stay. Bases on the Moon, sustainable habitats, research outposts. These once futuristic concepts now lie within our grasp, promising to change the very nature of human civilization and its relationship with the cosmos. As you gaze up tonight, remember that the Moon you see is not merely a distant object, it is a part of who we are. It is woven into our history, our biology, our dreams. It is both a record of our cosmic past and a gateway to our future. In its pale, reflected light, we see a reflection of ourselves, poised on the edge of eternity, daring to reach further, dreaming of worlds beyond our own. Beneath the Moon's serene exterior lies a universe of paradoxes. It is a place of absolute silence, yet its formation echoes one of the most violent events in Earth's ancient history. It appears gentle, its glow softening our nights, yet its stark landscape, shaped by relentless impacts, is harsh and unforgiving. Every lunar mountain, every shadowy valley, holds within it clues not only to the Moon's past, but also to our planet's earliest chapters, secrets that could redefine our understanding of life's beginnings. Since humans first dreamed of setting foot on another celestial body, the moon has called to us. It was the first foreign world we dared to reach. Its dust, the first extraterrestrial soil beneath human feet. When Neil Armstrong stepped onto its surface, humanity itself stepped into a new era, a moment when the dreams of generations became reality. Yet that groundbreaking moment was merely the start of an even greater journey, one still unfolding, one that carries the promise of a future far beyond the boundaries of our home planet. The lunar surface, illuminated by the stark brilliance of unfiltered sunlight, hides more than just its dramatic craters. Deep within the permanently shadowed regions near the lunar poles, scientists have uncovered something remarkable: ice. This ice, preserved in eternal darkness, holds within it the promise of water, a precious resource that could sustain human colonies, enabling prolonged exploration and inhabitation. Suddenly, the moon no longer seems distant. It emerges as a stepping stone towards humanity's destiny among the stars. But the moon's significance extends beyond scientific exploration. It is a profound symbol of unity, seen simultaneously by billions, transcending borders, cultures, and conflicts. It reminds us of our shared humanity, our collective longing to explore, to understand, to connect. As astronauts stood on its barren landscape, they looked back at Earth, seeing for the first time the fragile beauty of our planet, a vivid blue marble suspended in darkness, emphasizing the deep interconnectedness of all life. And perhaps more fascinating is the quiet promise that lunar exploration still holds for humanity's future. We are now on the verge of returning, not simply to repeat past triumphs, but to chart new paths. Missions like Artemis and ambitious private endeavors envision the moon as the cornerstone of a new era where humans build sustainable outposts, harvesting lunar resources and eventually launching expeditions deeper into our solar system. Mars, asteroids, and even more distant worlds suddenly become reachable thanks to the lessons learned on our closest cosmic companion. As we continue to unlock the moon's mysteries, we may even uncover new dimensions of human existence. Could living in lunar habitats shape humanity in unexpected ways? What forms of society might we create beyond the gravity of our home world? These questions linger, shimmering with possibility, inviting us to imagine humanity as an interplanetary species, stretching our definition of home across the vast distances of space.
In every moonbeam that reaches us, in every shadow cast across its rugged surface, lies an invitation to explore, to question, to imagine. The moon is more than Earth's companion. It is a cosmic muse, continually challenging us to reach further, dream bigger, and see ourselves from an entirely new perspective. The moon, ever-changing yet timeless, embodies a silent poetry, a celestial rhythm that has guided life on Earth from the very dawn of our existence. It is both ancient relic and futuristic gateway, an eternal companion lighting our night sky with a calm, reflected brilliance. Yet beneath this familiar glow lies a frontier teeming with unanswered questions and unexplored potential. Across the lunar terrain, vast stretches of desolate plains, the Maria, reveal dark basins formed by ancient volcanic flows, frozen forever in time. These basaltic seas, deceptively calm from afar, bear silent witness to volcanic fury once capable of reshaping entire regions of the moon's surface. They are vast, somber oceans of rock, capturing the quiet majesty of a world untouched by wind or rain, existing in serene permanence under a blanket of stars. But beyond these volcanic plains and towering mountains lies an intriguing mystery: the moon's tenuous, almost non-existent atmosphere. Without air, there is no sound, no wind, no life as we know it. Yet strangely, this barren silence invites contemplation, compelling us to reflect on our own existence in the vastness of the cosmos. It challenges us to think deeply about how life emerges, adapts, and persists even in the harshest environments imaginable. In recent decades, the moon has revealed even more astounding secrets, enigmatic tremors or moonquakes rippling beneath its crust, hinting at hidden geological activity beneath its surface. These subtle vibrations, recorded by delicate instruments left by Apollo astronauts, suggest the lunar interior is not entirely inert, hinting at the moon's ongoing story of quiet yet profound transformation. Yet, perhaps the most remarkable discovery is that lunar soil, fine, powdery, and sharp as glass, could hold the key to our sustainable future in space. Scientists envision processing lunar regolith into breathable air, rocket fuel, and even construction materials. What was once a harsh obstacle for Apollo astronauts could become the very foundation upon which future lunar civilizations will thrive, turning dust into possibility, and possibility into reality. And the moon's influence stretches even beyond physical realms. It remains an eternal muse for artists, poets, and visionaries, illuminating human creativity with an ethereal glow. From Beethoven's sonatas to Van Gogh's nightscapes, the moon stirs something deeply human, encouraging introspection, beauty, and wonder. In this quiet lunar inspiration, we reconnect with our deepest roots, feeling our place within an interconnected universe. Today, new dreams beckon us onward. As scientists chart lunar caves, vast lava tubes potentially capable of sheltering future astronauts, visions of lunar cities emerge from science fiction into serious contemplation. These subterranean sanctuaries offer safety from cosmic radiation and extreme temperatures, making long-term lunar living not just imaginable, but attainable. Ultimately, as we gaze upwards, the moon gently reminds us of our enduring bond with the cosmos. It compels us to push the limits of our potential, to journey bravely into the unknown, and to embrace both the humility and courage necessary for exploration. For, as long as humanity exists, the moon will always remain our first stepping stone toward the stars, forever shaping who we are and who we might yet become.
In the soft luminescence of the moon, there exists an invisible tapestry that connects the distant past to our boldest visions for tomorrow. It hovers in Earth's night sky as a silent guardian, guiding migrations, illuminating paths, and anchoring our sense of time and place. Yet, beyond this familiar facade, there exists an uncharted wilderness, an expansive realm filled with quiet complexity and astonishing discoveries still awaiting us. Far beyond the reaches of Earth's gravity, lunar valleys stretch silently beneath ancient starlight. These immense chasms, deeper than the Grand Canyon, tell stories of intense geological upheaval that have remained unchanged for eons. Sheltered in their shadowy depths, scientists believe we may find untouched archives of cosmic history, particles carried by solar winds, rare minerals from distant asteroids, and perhaps even microscopic clues about life's potential in harsh conditions. Among the most astonishing lunar phenomena are transient flashes known as lunar transient phenomena. These fleeting, mysterious glows or shadows briefly illuminate regions on the moon's surface. Scientists speculate they could result from gases escaping the lunar crust, micrometeor impacts, or electrostatic interactions with solar radiation.
Yet their precise origin remains tantalizingly unclear, reminding us that the moon, familiar as it is, remains full of surprises, defying even our most advanced science. Lunar eclipses, too, provide us profound lessons, moments when Earth casts its shadow, turning the moon a breathtaking rusty red. During these rare events, the moon's appearance changes dramatically, prompting ancient civilizations to believe they were witnessing divine signs. Today, we observe eclipses with awe, recognizing them as reminders of our interconnected solar system, evidence that the universe is ever dynamic, filled with constant motion and delicate balance. Now, humanity's vision for the lunar frontier extends far beyond brief visits or symbolic missions. Plans for sustainable bases built from lunar materials using advanced 3D printing are rapidly evolving. Regolith-based habitats, shielded naturally from radiation, could soon house permanent residents, scientists, engineers, explorers, all pioneers working to lay the foundations of humanity's future as a truly interplanetary species. Even agriculture, the backbone of civilization, finds its place in lunar exploration plans. Researchers envision hydroponic gardens beneath protective domes, growing plants in lunar soil fortified with nutrients extracted directly from moon rock. These gardens would not only sustain life, but also bring greenery, oxygen, and a psychological sense of comfort, a tiny earthly oasis on an otherwise barren world. But beyond practicality lies something deeper, a spiritual and emotional connection humans share with the moon. It appears as a unifying beacon across cultures, connecting diverse peoples in collective wonder and inspiration. Through the ages, it has been a silent companion to lovers, dreamers, navigators, and scientists, quietly nurturing our collective imagination, evoking curiosity and contemplation across all boundaries. Thus, as we gaze toward our celestial neighbor, we sense not only its silent beauty, but also the boundless potential it symbolizes. The moon, suspended elegantly in space, continually invites us to reach beyond our known horizons, urging us to become explorers once again, to step forward boldly, carrying with us the dreams of countless generations toward an ever-expanding cosmic future. Suspended gracefully in the vast silence of space, the moon stands as a living monument to cosmic endurance, an ancient realm untouched by weather, untouched by time. Its surface, eternally illuminated by stark sunlight or cloaked in profound darkness, serves as a canvas upon which the universe records its history. Each scar, each ridge, and each darkened basin holds quiet testimony to billions of years of cosmic interactions, patiently waiting for human eyes to decipher their messages. Yet beyond geology and astronomy, the moon possesses a subtle yet powerful influence on humanity's collective psyche. For millennia, its presence has sparked philosophical reflection, ignited spiritual contemplation, and inspired cultural traditions. Lunar calendars guided early civilizations, marking seasons and cycles of life with gentle precision. Festivals, rituals, and ancient structures like Stonehenge aligned carefully with lunar phases, reminding us that our bond with the moon transcends mere curiosity. It is deeply embedded in our identity as humans. Now, with the advance of technology, the moon becomes not merely an object of observation, but a partner in humanity's quest for knowledge. Telescopes placed upon its far side promise unprecedented clarity, free from Earth's radio interference. Astronomers dream of lunar observatories, peering deep into space, seeking answers to cosmic mysteries, from the birth of stars to the fabric of the universe itself. Thus, the moon transforms into an essential collaborator, opening windows into realms previously hidden from human view. The prospect of lunar mining, once confined to speculative fiction, is now emerging as reality. Beneath the lunar crust lie deposits of rare minerals, titanium, helium-3, platinum, elements crucial for future technologies and clean energy solutions. Imagine a future where lunar industries provide resources to Earth and sustain voyages deeper into the solar system. It's an image both futuristic and pragmatic, reshaping our view of the moon from passive satellite to active partner in human advancement.
Yet, amid all technological ambition, the moon reminds us also of fragility. The Apollo missions revealed Earth's vulnerability, emphasizing the need to cherish and protect our home. The photographs astronauts captured, the famous Earthrise, awakened humanity's environmental consciousness. Seen from lunar distance, our planet appears both breathtakingly beautiful and heartbreakingly delicate, underscoring the moon's role as a mirror, reflecting our deepest responsibilities toward Earth and each other. Moreover, future lunar missions promise collaboration on a global scale previously unseen. International cooperation in lunar exploration between nations and private entities alike offers opportunities to unify humanity in shared goals. The moon could become not only a scientific outpost, but a diplomatic one, where shared endeavors dissolve barriers, fostering unity and mutual understanding in a world that sorely needs it. Finally, the moon holds lessons about our own place in the cosmos. Its silent orbit reminds us of the delicate balance governing our existence, a gravitational dance precise enough to stabilize Earth's tilt, creating conditions perfect for life. Understanding these cosmic intricacies deepens our appreciation for how extraordinary and fortunate we truly are, inspiring humility and wonder in equal measure. Thus, our celestial neighbor quietly beckons us to step forward, to keep exploring, to embrace our roles as stewards and pioneers alike. It promises both adventure and wisdom, calling humanity toward a deeper understanding, not only of the universe but of ourselves. Gazing upon the moon, one senses a quiet eternity, an unchanging serenity untouched by the tumultuous rhythms of Earth. Yet hidden beneath this tranquil surface lie countless unanswered questions, calling humanity forward into a boundless adventure. It's a silent guardian witnessing countless human lives come and go, forever floating as a gentle reminder of our fleeting existence in the face of cosmic immensity. Though it lacks air, oceans, or life as we know it, the moon offers something equally precious: perspective. From its barren surface, Earth appears fragile and beautiful, a single blue jewel suspended in darkness. Astronauts describe experiencing profound shifts in consciousness when viewing our home planet from lunar distances, a phenomenon known as the overview effect. In this moment, borders vanish, conflicts seem trivial, and the shared fate of all humanity becomes strikingly clear. As our understanding of the moon evolves, new possibilities emerge. Advanced robotic explorers now map its surface with unprecedented precision, identifying ideal locations for future settlements. Regions bathed in perpetual sunlight near the lunar poles offer continuous solar power, while nearby shadowed craters harbor vast reservoirs of water ice, critical resources that will enable sustained human habitation. These discoveries transform our relationship with the moon, shifting it from a distant object of study to an accessible frontier awaiting humanity's arrival. Scientific experiments conducted on the lunar surface hold the promise of groundbreaking revelations. In low-gravity and vacuum conditions, physics and biology behave in unexpected ways, challenging assumptions and inspiring new scientific thought. Laboratories stationed on the moon could enable research previously unimaginable, potentially revolutionizing medicine, material science, and engineering, unlocking insights and innovations that could benefit life both in space and back on Earth. Yet, even as we dream of ambitious lunar colonies, the moon quietly reminds us of simpler truths. Its regular phases, the graceful waxing and waning, teach humanity the importance of cycles, patience, and renewal. Farmers have long understood this rhythm,
planting and harvesting according to lunar phases. And even today, its gentle progression influences cultural traditions, rituals, and celebrations across the world. Thus, our celestial companion remains a subtle anchor, gently synchronizing the human experience with the natural world. Remarkably, the moon's surface is also an archive of cosmic weather. Billions of years of solar radiation, meteorite bombardments, and celestial events are preserved in lunar soil and rock layers. Exploring these lunar archives will offer insights into Earth's past climate changes and celestial interactions, allowing us to better predict future events, and further reinforcing how closely our destinies remain intertwined. With each new mission, the moon becomes not just a symbol of past triumphs, but also a beacon of future possibilities. Concepts like lunar tourism, orbital gateways, and space ports that connect Earth with destinations deeper in our solar system are becoming reality. For future generations, traveling to the moon might become as routine as air travel today, a natural part of the human experience, reshaping how we see ourselves and our place among the stars. Ultimately, the moon stands as humanity's eternal companion, patient and steadfast, silently urging us onward, to rise above earthly concerns and continue the endless journey of discovery. It challenges us to see beyond the immediate, encouraging humanity to explore deeper, reach farther, and embrace the infinite possibilities that lie within our grasp.
Above us, in the tranquil vastness of space, the moon quietly moves through its celestial path, a silent sentinel watching over generations of dreamers and explorers. Though distant, it influences Earth's rhythms in countless subtle ways, gently shaping the ebb and flow of our planet's oceans and influencing biological cycles in plants, animals, and even humans. Its quiet gravitational embrace reminds us daily of our intricate connection to the cosmos. This celestial neighbor, seemingly lifeless and desolate, paradoxically symbolizes resilience. Despite its barren exterior, the lunar landscape vividly records ancient events. Impact craters of enormous scale testified to moments when the solar system was still a violent place. Yet through every collision, the moon endured, preserving a history that Earth itself has long forgotten, quietly reminding us of the delicate balance between creation and destruction, chaos and calm. Scientists and visionaries now imagine the moon not only as an outpost for exploration, but as a testing ground for innovations that could sustain humanity far from Earth. Technologies to produce energy, oxygen, and even food from lunar resources are no longer science fiction, but realistic strategies. Lunar soil, combined with cutting-edge techniques, could yield structures robust enough to shield future astronauts from harsh cosmic radiation, allowing us to establish permanent footholds beyond our home planet. Even more intriguing is the possibility that the moon could become a launchpad for interplanetary travel. With far lower gravity than Earth, lunar bases could serve as staging points for deeper missions to Mars, Jupiter's moons, or even distant asteroids. Harnessing lunar materials, spacecraft could be assembled and launched efficiently into deep space, dramatically reshaping our potential as cosmic explorers. Yet, amid ambitious scientific plans, the moon continues to inspire a deeper, almost poetic reflection. Philosophers have long gazed upward, seeing in the moon's eternal cycles a metaphor for the human experience. Moments of brightness followed inevitably by shadows, a continuous dance between illumination and darkness. The moon gently reminds us that cycles of change, even difficult ones, are part of existence, encouraging acceptance, resilience, and hope. Perhaps more profoundly, the lunar surface itself could offer insights into the potential for extraterrestrial life. Studying lunar rocks returned from past missions revealed organic compounds and materials from meteorites that hint at life's building blocks scattered throughout our solar system. Could these findings indicate that Earth-like life might be less unique than we imagine? The moon thus serves as a cosmic library, subtly challenging our assumptions about our own uniqueness in the universe. Humanity's return to the moon also signifies an unprecedented opportunity to redefine collaboration. International partnerships involving multiple nations and private enterprises could redefine how we pursue shared goals, creating peaceful alliances that transcend earthly conflicts. In the stark yet beautiful desolation of the moon, humanity has a chance to establish a new paradigm, a shared future shaped by cooperation rather than competition. Looking toward the moon, we realize it is not simply a destination, but a profound reflection of human aspiration itself, ever-present yet endlessly mysterious. Its quiet glow invites contemplation of our place in the universe, our purpose as explorers, and our responsibility as caretakers of life itself. Thus, the moon gently calls us onward, to wonder, to innovate, to reach beyond boundaries, and ultimately to evolve into a species worthy of the cosmos we seek to explore. Drifting silently through space, the moon is an enduring testament to cosmic harmony, a solitary world elegantly balanced within the gravitational embrace of Earth. Its presence quietly shapes the passage of time, guiding humanity's earliest calendars, measuring months and seasons, and serving as a celestial clock that subtly governs our lives. Yet, despite our deep familiarity with its gentle glow, it still guards countless mysteries beneath its serene facade.
Within lunar dust lies a fascinating paradox. Fine particles, shaped by billions of years of cosmic bombardment, carry the potential to sustain future life. Scientists now envision turning this abrasive lunar regolith into fertile soil, paving the way for lunar agriculture. Imagine fields of plants thriving beneath protective domes, bringing life to a previously lifeless world and dramatically changing our relationship with our celestial neighbor. Furthermore, as we look to build permanent settlements, innovative energy solutions emerge. Solar farms positioned on lunar ridges could harness endless sunlight, offering uninterrupted power to future inhabitants. Coupled with abundant lunar ice deposits, water and oxygen production could become routine, enabling not only survival but the flourishing of human life beyond Earth. Thus, the moon becomes more than an exploration outpost. It evolves into humanity's first true home away from home. Even now, lunar exploration inspires incredible leaps in innovation, driving technologies that benefit everyday life on Earth. Advanced robotics, autonomous vehicles, artificial intelligence. These advancements, developed for lunar missions, ripple into medicine, transportation, and environmental monitoring. In this way, our curiosity about the moon subtly transforms life on Earth, enhancing quality of life in ways both visible and invisible. Yet, perhaps most profoundly, the moon continues to reshape our philosophical perspectives. Its constant presence has guided spiritual rituals, navigational journeys, and human imagination across millennia. Artists and poets have always found inspiration in lunar symbolism, interpreting its changing phases as metaphors for human emotions, hope and longing, grief and renewal. In this symbolic interplay, the moon quietly fosters our connection with deeper aspects of existence, uniting science, spirituality, and culture. Beyond symbolism, lunar missions have quietly reshaped our view of Earth itself. From lunar orbit, astronauts report an overwhelming emotional shift, a renewed sense of stewardship toward our fragile planet. This heightened awareness compels humanity toward environmental responsibility and global cooperation, reminding us that our planet, viewed from afar, reveals our common humanity, erasing borders and divisions. As lunar ambitions expand, so does our cosmic perspective. The moon could serve as a lifeline for planetary protection, potentially hosting observatories to detect and redirect hazardous asteroids, an essential safeguard for Earth's future. From this quiet vantage point, we gain the means to protect our planet and preserve our species, cementing our celestial companion's role not just as neighbor, but as guardian.
Ultimately, our enduring fascination with the moon reflects humanity's innate drive toward exploration and understanding. Its quiet orbit challenges us continually to imagine, to innovate, and to push beyond familiar boundaries, nurturing our potential as cosmic travelers. As we prepare for this new era of lunar discovery, we recognize that the moon, as always, gently invites humanity toward greater possibilities, quietly encouraging us to become the best version of ourselves in the grand cosmic narrative. Quietly suspended in the dark expanse of space, the moon exists as a timeless beacon, steadfast yet continuously evolving in our collective understanding. To look at the lunar surface is to witness the untouched purity of the cosmos, a place where footprints left decades ago remain undisturbed, preserved in the vacuum of space. These silent trails serve as profound symbols, humanity's first tentative steps beyond Earth, forever marking our transformation from terrestrial beings into explorers of worlds beyond. Yet beneath its stark and motionless appearance, the moon possesses hidden dynamism. Seismological data from lunar missions reveal that the moon experiences internal movements, tiny tremors and subtle shifts deep within, suggesting that beneath its placid exterior lies a core still subtly active, still quietly evolving. Each tremor is a whisper from the moon itself, hinting at complexities that challenge our understanding of planetary evolution. Perhaps more extraordinary still is the moon's role in shaping Earth's very climate and habitability. Its gravitational pull stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, ensuring the predictable seasons we rely upon. Without this silent influence, Earth's climate could have fluctuated wildly, potentially hindering or even preventing the rise of complex life. In this gentle but profound way, the moon quietly helped shape the conditions that allowed humanity to flourish, influencing our very existence from afar. In recent times, lunar science has taken yet another intriguing turn. Researchers have begun exploring lava tubes, immense caverns carved by ancient volcanic activity, large enough to shelter entire cities. These natural underground habitats offer refuge from cosmic radiation and extreme temperature swings, transforming our view of the moon's desolate landscape into one of hidden potential. Such discoveries open the possibility of entire lunar communities thriving beneath its surface, sheltered by the natural geology of our nearest celestial companion. Even the moon's stark beauty has profound psychological power. Astronauts who stood upon its surface described the sensation as both humbling and awe-inspiring. Its barren horizons and stark contrasts foster profound reflections about humanity's place in the universe, evoking a deep appreciation for Earth's vibrant ecosystems. Through these profound emotional experiences, the moon subtly becomes a catalyst for humanity's spiritual growth, reminding us always of our interconnectedness.
Furthermore, the moon has the unique ability to unite humanity in collective awe and purpose. Historically, lunar exploration has symbolized the pinnacle of human achievement, an endeavor that transcends cultural, political, and national boundaries. The Apollo landings were not merely American achievements, but human triumphs, celebrated worldwide. Future missions promise similarly transformative experiences, capable of uniting diverse cultures in the shared pursuit of knowledge, innovation, and exploration. As humanity prepares to venture once again onto lunar soil, our ambitions reach even further. Concepts like lunar fuel stations, using water ice to produce rocket propellant, now seem within reach. Such infrastructure could revolutionize space exploration, creating a sustainable transport network between Earth, the Moon, and Mars. In this vision, the Moon ceases to be a mere destination.
It becomes a cornerstone in humanity's unfolding space-based civilization, forever reshaping our concept of home. Finally, the moon quietly serves as humanity's mirror, reflecting our values, aspirations, and the boundless nature of our curiosity. It remains a patient teacher, silently inviting us to grow, explore, and rediscover ourselves within the infinite expanse of space. As we ventured toward this lunar horizon once more, it gently beckons, reminding us of our endless potential and the limitless wonders awaiting discovery. Floating gracefully in the quiet darkness of space, the moon embodies the subtle dance between permanence and change. It orbits patiently, marking the passage of time with gentle precision, influencing not only tides in nature, but also humanity's deeper sense of place in the cosmos. Yet as familiar as its glowing presence may be, the moon holds countless unexplored frontiers, quietly offering humanity a blank canvas upon which we may yet write our most ambitious stories. Beneath its serene visage lies an ancient geological treasure chest, waiting patiently to be unlocked. Lunar samples have already hinted at previously unknown minerals and elements, promising to reshape our understanding of geology, chemistry, and even fundamental physics. Future expeditions could unearth resources previously unimaginable, enabling technological breakthroughs that could alter the trajectory of human civilization itself. One of the moon's most intriguing secrets lies in its polar regions, where sunlight and shadow perform an extraordinary interplay. Within these perpetual shadows, water ice has quietly accumulated over billions of years, captured from comet impacts or solar winds. This ice represents more than just water. It holds the promise of life support, fuel, and sustainable settlements, quietly transforming the moon from barren neighbor into humanity's stepping stone toward deeper space exploration. Yet the moon also has profound psychological impacts on those who encounter it firsthand. Astronauts frequently describe the lunar surface as a place of stark yet profound beauty, a world that seems simultaneously alien and intimately familiar. The moon evokes emotions both introspective and inspiring, encouraging humanity to reconsider its relationship with the universe, driving us toward a greater sense of cosmic responsibility and unity. Remarkably, even the moon's gravitational environment opens doors to new frontiers in research. Low gravity provides unique opportunities to study biological processes, human health, and medicine. Experiments conducted on the lunar surface could reveal new pathways for medical treatments or breakthroughs in biotechnology, advances that might someday revolutionize healthcare on Earth. Additionally, lunar outposts could fundamentally reshape how humans understand sustainability. Limited resources demand innovative recycling techniques, energy conservation, and ecological stewardship. By mastering sustainable living on the moon, humanity could gain invaluable insights into environmental management on Earth, subtly encouraging a new era of ecological mindfulness. Equally compelling is the potential for astronomy from lunar vantage points. Observatories positioned on the moon's surface could detect subtle cosmic phenomena invisible from Earth, including faint signals from the early universe. These lunar telescopes might reveal new insights about dark matter, black holes, and even potentially habitable planets around distant stars, forever expanding humanity's understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. Perhaps most importantly, the moon reminds us that exploration is not only a scientific or technological endeavor, but also a deeply human one. It symbolizes our eternal desire to reach beyond known boundaries, to find connection and meaning in the unknown. As humans return to its surface, the moon becomes a bridge linking generations, connecting past explorers with future pioneers, fostering continuity in humanity's cosmic story.
Thus, as we stand on the threshold of new lunar exploration, our celestial companion gently urges us onward, whispering quietly of endless possibilities, unseen discoveries, and profound transformations. It invites humanity to embrace curiosity, courage, and creativity, to boldly step into the quiet frontier awaiting us just beyond Earth's comforting horizon.
From the silent vastness above, the moon watches Earth with quiet solemnity, an ageless sphere suspended elegantly in the night, its gentle glow illuminating the restless dreams of humanity. Beneath this soft lunar light, civilizations have risen and fallen, their stories intimately entwined with this ever-present celestial companion. Yet, despite our enduring bond, the moon still conceals realms of profound mystery, quietly urging humanity to venture deeper, to question, and to explore. Even the simplest observation of the moon's surface reveals stories of extraordinary cosmic drama. Vast crater fields, etched by countless impacts, bear silent witness to epochs when the solar system was turbulent and violent. Each impact crater serves as a cosmic fingerprint, offering clues about celestial events that shaped the planets, the origins of water, and perhaps even the building blocks of life itself. Studying these scars allows scientists to reconstruct cosmic history, quietly unlocking the secrets of our shared celestial past. In this age of renewed exploration, lunar science is rapidly evolving. Missions equipped with advanced sensors, radar, and sophisticated mapping technologies are steadily revealing the moon's hidden structure. Recent studies indicate the presence of massive underground formations, suggesting extensive cavern systems, perfect natural shelters for human habitats. Such discoveries transform our view of the lunar surface from an empty expanse into a landscape rich with potential and quietly inviting exploration. The moon also offers a unique vantage point from which to observe Earth's climate. Satellites placed in lunar orbit could monitor our planet with unprecedented accuracy, tracking global climate patterns, storms, and environmental changes with clarity impossible from closer satellites. These lunar observatories would quietly provide critical insights, helping humanity manage environmental challenges, protect ecosystems, and better understand the interconnected dynamics shaping Earth's fragile biosphere. Even more profound is the moon's subtle yet profound impact on human imagination. Across cultures, the lunar cycle has long symbolized transformation and renewal, its constant phases quietly reassuring humanity of the eternal cycle of endings and beginnings. Artists, musicians, and poets continue to be inspired by this cosmic rhythm, translating lunar beauty into timeless expressions of human creativity, ensuring our celestial neighbor's quiet presence remains forever entwined with our emotional and cultural landscapes. As humanity returns to the lunar surface, new ethical questions arise. How do we protect and preserve the pristine lunar environment, ensuring that human presence enhances rather than harms? Responsible exploration demands careful stewardship, reminding us that the moon is not simply a resource, but a shared heritage. Thus, future lunar exploration quietly compels us toward a more mindful approach to space exploration, one rooted in respect, humility, and long-term sustainability. Furthermore, the lunar surface may hold keys to understanding deep mysteries of physics. In its stable, vacuum environment, experiments could precisely test fundamental theories of gravity, quantum mechanics, and even the nature of space-time. Such research might quietly transform our understanding of the universe itself, opening paths toward discoveries impossible on Earth, ushering humanity into new realms of scientific understanding. Finally, as we move forward into this new lunar era, we recognize the moon's ultimate role. It remains humanity's guiding star, silently encouraging our boundless curiosity. It reminds us of our capacity to dream, explore, and build bridges between the known and the unknown. Its quiet radiance invites us onward, promising profound discoveries, profound transformations, and profound journeys yet to come, gently illuminating our way toward humanity's infinite future among the stars.
As the moon gracefully traverses its path through the celestial night, it remains a silent storyteller, revealing quiet truths about our universe and ourselves. Its presence anchors our sense of time, guiding our days and nights, influencing biological rhythms, and subtly weaving itself into the fabric of life on Earth. Yet beneath its familiar glow lies an unexplored frontier, quietly beckoning humanity to unlock mysteries that could forever redefine our place among the stars. From orbit, the moon appears serene, almost gentle, yet the lunar surface is a landscape born from cosmic violence. Mountains rise starkly, formed from immense impacts that shattered its crust billions of years ago, while vast plains, shaped by ancient volcanic eruptions, stretch silently into the lunar horizon. Each formation carries quiet reminders of a dynamic past, compelling humanity to explore these hidden chapters of cosmic history. Even the moon's color offers subtle clues to its complex past. Its surface, gray, beige, and muted brown, is tinted by iron, titanium, and minerals delivered through meteorite impacts or volcanic activity. Future explorers may quietly tap into these resources, using lunar minerals to create building materials, electronics, and essential infrastructure. Thus, the moon patiently offers humanity the raw ingredients necessary to build sustainable settlements beyond Earth's gravity. Equally compelling is the moon's potential role in future interplanetary transportation. Scientists envision a lunar gateway station, a quiet hub orbiting the moon, providing a launch point for missions deep into our solar system. Spacecraft departing from this gateway could utilize lunar fuel, dramatically reducing the costs and challenges of interplanetary travel. In this way, the moon becomes not just a destination, but a cosmic crossroads, a stepping stone quietly opening the doors to the distant planets and beyond. Yet beneath these scientific ambitions lies a deeper, emotional resonance. Human footprints from past Apollo missions remain untouched, serving as profound symbols of courage, curiosity, and hope. These preserved footprints quietly remind future generations that humanity's journey into space has only just begun, that the moon is a place where human dreams can become realities, where our potential expands infinitely beyond terrestrial boundaries. Even lunar dust, once a nuisance to early astronauts, has become a quiet focal point of scientific fascination. Its fine, abrasive particles, charged by solar radiation, present unique engineering challenges. Yet scientists now see opportunities to harvest energy directly from these electrostatic charges, potentially powering future lunar settlements in ways previously unimagined. Thus, a once troublesome substance may quietly become a critical asset for humanity's lunar ambitions. Moreover, the moon provides an extraordinary laboratory for human health research. Long-duration lunar habitation offers opportunities to study how reduced gravity and isolated environments affect human biology, psychology, and social dynamics. These insights could quietly reshape medical practices on Earth, influencing treatments, therapies, and our understanding of human resilience, benefiting life both here and in the far reaches of space. Finally, the moon's enduring presence serves as an anchor for global unity. International cooperation in lunar exploration could quietly transform political relations, fostering peaceful collaboration that transcends terrestrial divisions. Joint lunar missions might forge new partnerships and mutual understanding, subtly encouraging humanity toward a more harmonious and interconnected future. Thus, the moon, our eternal celestial neighbor, quietly awaits us, offering a future rich with possibilities. Its silent call inspires humanity to continue exploring, dreaming, and discovering,
reminding us always that our place in the cosmos is ever-evolving and full of wonder.
In the infinite stillness of space, the moon hovers like a silent beacon, its quiet presence gently illuminating the path of humanity's cosmic journey. Though barren and lifeless, its stark surface speaks volumes, a chronicle etched in ancient rock, holding secrets that quietly redefine our understanding of the universe. Each crater and each shadowy ravine silently beckons explorers, scientists, and dreamers alike, urging humanity toward discoveries that may transform not just science, but the very essence of human identity. While many see the moon's landscape as empty, scientists perceive it as profoundly valuable, a cosmic archive recording billions of years of solar system history. Deep beneath lunar dust lie ancient rock formations, quietly preserving evidence from the earliest moments of our solar system. Unlocking these geological secrets promises to reshape our understanding of planetary formation, quietly answering fundamental questions about Earth's origins and perhaps even the potential for life elsewhere in the cosmos. But the moon's subtle influence on humanity goes far beyond science and exploration. It quietly shapes our cultural, emotional, and spiritual landscapes. Across generations, its silvery glow has inspired legends, rituals, and poetry, its quiet radiance offering solace, comfort, and inspiration. In moments of reflection beneath moonlight, we feel a deep kinship with those who gazed upward long before us, connected through time by the shared experience of wonder and contemplation. Even more striking is how the moon gently yet profoundly impacts life's rhythms on Earth. Its gravitational force subtly guides ocean tides, stabilizes ecosystems, and even influences animal behaviors and human physiology. Scientists increasingly recognize these quiet interactions as vital, prompting deeper investigations into how lunar cycles affect everything from migration patterns to human sleep and emotional well-being, quietly reshaping our appreciation for our intricate relationship with the cosmos. Today, lunar exploration extends beyond footprints and flags. It is now driven by technology, innovation, and the pursuit of sustainability. Advances in robotics and autonomous exploration mean the moon's rugged terrain can be studied more thoroughly than ever before without human presence. Swarms of drones or rovers quietly traversing its surface promise comprehensive mapping, mineral detection, and even early preparation of habitats, enabling future astronauts to thrive upon arrival. Moreover, the lunar environment itself quietly presents an ideal testing ground for sustainable living. Closed-loop life support systems, renewable energy, and zero-waste habitats developed on the moon could revolutionize sustainability on Earth. The lessons learned from lunar colonies, managing scarce resources and maintaining ecological balance, offer profound implications for Earth's environmental challenges, subtly guiding humanity toward a more responsible coexistence with our home planet. Perhaps most profoundly, the moon quietly invites us to reconsider the meaning of home. As humans plan permanent settlements on the moon, the concept of Earth as our sole home gently expands, encouraging humanity to embrace a new identity, one as citizens of the cosmos, bound not by terrestrial borders, but by shared dreams, aspirations, and responsibilities. The moon thus quietly becomes a catalyst for our collective evolution, subtly transforming human culture, philosophy, and society itself. Ultimately, the moon serves not merely as Earth's companion, but as humanity's silent guide into the future. It inspires us to rise above limitations, inviting us toward exploration, discovery, and unity. With each quiet orbit, the moon gently reminds us that humanity's journey has just begun, that beyond Earth, endless possibilities await, quietly calling us toward adventures and achievements yet to be imagined.
The moon, hanging silently in the endless black tapestry of space, remains a profound symbol of both mystery and revelation. Though its calm, luminous surface seems familiar, beneath that gentle radiance lies a universe of untold potential, quietly waiting to be discovered. Its ancient terrain, a testament to cosmic forces beyond human comprehension, invites us to question, to imagine, and ultimately to expand our understanding of the universe itself. Remarkably, beneath the lunar surface lie clues not only about the moon's origins, but about Earth's earliest days. Fragments from ancient impacts, preserved untouched, quietly await scientists eager to decode their stories. These lunar rocks, older than any geological formation on Earth, hold traces of our planet's infancy, subtly guiding humanity to a deeper understanding of the origins of water, life, and the delicate conditions that enabled Earth's unique habitability. Meanwhile, the moon's far side, forever turned away from Earth's view, remains largely unexplored, quietly concealing landscapes more rugged, dramatic, and mysterious than anything visible to human eyes from our planet. It is a realm where immense craters and towering mountain ranges dominate, a place promising extraordinary scientific discoveries. Future missions to these distant regions might quietly reveal new insights into planetary formation, or perhaps even challenge our fundamental assumptions about the cosmos itself. Lunar dust, long seen as merely an obstacle, now quietly emerges as a key to sustainable space exploration. Scientists propose transforming this abrasive lunar regolith into construction materials through additive manufacturing or lunar 3D printing, creating habitats, roads, and infrastructure without the costly need to transport resources from Earth. The moon, in this quiet yet revolutionary way, may help humanity pioneer new frontiers in self-sustaining extraterrestrial living. Even more intriguing is the potential for communication and data infrastructure on the moon. Advanced networks established on the lunar surface could provide an unprecedented global internet backbone, enabling rapid and uninterrupted communication among space stations, spacecraft, and Earth-based systems. In this vision, the moon quietly transforms from a passive observer into an active hub of humanity's technological interconnectedness. Furthermore, as we increasingly face environmental and resource challenges on Earth, the moon quietly emerges as a potential source of renewable energy. Vast deposits of helium-3, a rare isotope ideal for nuclear fusion, have been detected in lunar soils. Extracting this isotope could revolutionize clean energy, quietly reshaping Earth's energy landscape and fueling a sustainable future that extends far beyond our planet. Yet alongside its practical promise, the moon holds an even deeper significance. Its presence in the sky quietly unites humanity in a shared cosmic perspective, providing a common reference point for all people, regardless of their differences. In moments of global crisis or achievement, we instinctively turn our gaze upward, drawing comfort and inspiration from this eternal celestial companion, subtly reinforcing our shared humanity and reminding us of the vastness beyond our terrestrial concerns. As human footprints return to the lunar surface, new social paradigms may emerge. Lunar settlements, defined by cooperation and shared purpose, could quietly foster new forms of governance, innovation, and community building. The isolation and interdependence required by lunar living might subtly reshape social structures, inspiring humanity to evolve toward more unified, compassionate, and cooperative societies. Ultimately, the moon gently reminds humanity of its infinite capacity for growth, exploration, and transformation. It silently encourages us to dream boldly, to seek new horizons, and to redefine the boundaries of possibility. With each quiet orbit, the moon reassures us that humanity's cosmic journey is only just beginning, that our greatest adventures, discoveries, and achievements still await us among the stars.
Suspended gracefully in the velvet darkness of space, the moon quietly embodies the spirit of exploration, its gentle glow an ever-present reminder of humanity's yearning to reach beyond familiar shores.
Each lunar sunrise illuminates new possibilities, hinting at untold discoveries waiting just beyond the horizon. Beneath its seemingly tranquil surface lies a vast frontier, an unexplored wilderness patiently awaiting humanity's next great leap forward. Within the lunar soil itself lies a hidden richness that quietly fuels humanity's imagination. Scientists have begun exploring the possibility of cultivating plant life directly in lunar regolith, an experiment that, if successful, would revolutionize our understanding of sustainable agriculture in space. Gardens flourishing beneath lunar domes would signify humanity's true mastery of extraterrestrial living, quietly opening doors to longer, deeper voyages across our solar system. The moon's gentle gravitational pull not only shapes the tides, but quietly influences the delicate balance of ecosystems, subtly guiding marine life and migratory birds in their seasonal journeys. In observing these subtle interactions, scientists gain deeper insights into the interconnected web of life, reminding us how intricately we are bound to celestial rhythms, even when unaware of their presence. In recent decades, the concept of lunar tourism has emerged from the realm of fantasy into genuine possibility. Private spacecraft could one day carry travelers to lunar hotels, offering breathtaking views of Earth rising over lunar horizons. Quietly, the moon may become a place not only for exploration, but also inspiration and renewal, a place where humanity reconnects deeply with its cosmic identity, reshaping how we perceive our place in the universe. Remarkably, the moon's stable environment offers unique opportunities for advanced manufacturing processes. Low-gravity conditions enable precision engineering impossible on Earth, potentially allowing the production of materials and devices such as ultra-pure crystals, optical fibers, or pharmaceuticals that are quietly transformative for Earth-based industries. These lunar-manufactured products could reshape technology, healthcare, and infrastructure, subtly impacting human society in ways we have yet to fully grasp. Furthermore, lunar bases would provide unprecedented opportunities for studying the universe. Radio telescopes positioned on the far side of the moon, shielded from Earth's electromagnetic interference, could detect signals from the early universe, quietly revealing hidden truths about cosmic origins and potentially even signals of extraterrestrial civilizations. The moon, in its quiet way, could dramatically alter humanity's understanding of life beyond Earth, forever changing our cosmic perspective. In a human level, lunar exploration quietly offers profound psychological lessons. The isolation, silence, and vastness experienced by lunar pioneers would challenge and reshape human psychology, resilience, and community dynamics. These experiences may subtly inform new approaches to mental health, well-being, and community building back on Earth, enriching human experience through the wisdom gained from living beyond our home planet. Finally, the moon serves as an eternal symbol of human aspiration, silently encouraging us to push beyond limitations, inspiring generations to dream, discover, and innovate. As humanity prepares once more to journey to this celestial neighbor, it gently reminds us of our boundless potential, quietly calling us toward a future filled with exploration, cooperation, and transformative discovery. Thus, the moon remains a quiet guide, patiently awaiting humanity's return, promising revelations, adventure, and a future among the stars that we have only just begun to imagine.
Amid the endless tapestry of space, the moon orbits quietly, illuminating the darkness with a soft, silvery glow, a beacon inviting humanity into realms unknown. Its gentle radiance serves as a timeless reminder of our connection to something far greater, quietly guiding humanity's dreams and aspirations and calling us to venture deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos. Remarkably, the moon offers a pristine environment that could become humanity's ultimate laboratory. Experiments in physics, medicine, and biology, conducted in lunar gravity and vacuum conditions, quietly promise revolutionary breakthroughs. These discoveries could redefine our understanding of life, health, and fundamental physics, quietly reshaping not just scientific thought, but the very way we perceive reality itself.
Beneath the moon's barren surface lie ancient geological formations quietly waiting to share their secrets. Lunar lava tubes, vast, cavernous tunnels formed by ancient volcanic activity, could become natural shelters, protecting future inhabitants from harsh radiation and temperature extremes. These subterranean sanctuaries quietly promise safety, sustainability, and a unique opportunity to establish a thriving lunar civilization, setting a new precedent for human resilience. Even lunar gravity itself holds remarkable possibilities. At 1/6 Earth's gravity, the moon provides an ideal environment for building, launching spacecraft, and exploring innovative construction techniques. Structures impossible on Earth, immense telescopes, towering habitats, or sprawling research facilities become achievable realities, quietly transforming humanity's architectural imagination. Moreover, as climate challenges mount on Earth, the moon offers a quiet yet profound perspective. Lunar observations of Earth's atmosphere and ecosystems could dramatically enhance climate models, providing unprecedented precision in predicting environmental shifts. These insights would enable humanity to respond more effectively to global crises, subtly guiding us toward a sustainable future. The lunar surface also provides an extraordinary resource for understanding the impact of solar radiation and cosmic rays, critical for human health in deep space journeys. Quietly, scientists are planning experiments to measure these forces, gaining crucial insights into protecting astronauts on longer missions to Mars or beyond, enabling humanity's safe and successful expansion into the cosmos. Equally profound is the emotional and cultural impact the moon quietly exerts upon humanity. Its steady presence has inspired rituals, calendars, and profound symbolism across cultures, subtly uniting humanity in shared reverence and curiosity. This cultural connection could deepen as humans once again set foot upon the moon, reaffirming our universal heritage as explorers and dreamers, quietly bridging divides and strengthening bonds across the globe. The lunar's resource-rich terrain also opens possibilities for sustainable economic growth in space. Helium-3, rare earth metals, and even lunar water ice quietly present opportunities for innovation, commerce, and energy production. By responsibly utilizing these resources, humanity could develop a thriving lunar economy, quietly transforming how we think about resources, energy, and economic development beyond Earth's borders. Finally, the moon symbolizes humanity's inexhaustible curiosity and quiet resilience. It reminds us of our shared history and collective future, gently urging us toward exploration, innovation, and unity. With every glance upward, we are quietly encouraged to envision the infinite possibilities ahead, inspired by the moon's silent promise of an extraordinary cosmic future waiting patiently just beyond our current reach.
The moon quietly floats in Earth's orbit, a celestial sentinel gently illuminating our nights, bridging human imagination and cosmic reality. In its subtle glow lies an invitation to explore, to question, and to discover truths hidden beneath its serene exterior. Yet the moon offers far more than quiet beauty. It holds transformative potential, patiently awaiting humanity's next voyage of discovery. Deep beneath lunar dust, untouched by time, exist pristine records of solar and cosmic phenomena spanning billions of years. These hidden archives, undisturbed by Earth's weather and tectonics, quietly promise scientists unprecedented insights into the solar system's history. Studying these ancient lunar chronicles could revolutionize astronomy and geology, quietly reshaping our fundamental understanding of cosmic evolution. The moon's polar regions also quietly hold immense promise. Areas of perpetual darkness near its poles conceal large deposits of water ice, critical resources that future explorers could convert into breathable air, drinkable water, and rocket fuel. These hidden ice reservoirs quietly redefine lunar potential, transforming the moon into a viable, self-sustaining outpost for humanity's deeper journeys into space. Remarkably, the moon's stable surface offers the ideal platform for precision astronomy and deep space communication. Telescopes and antenna arrays built on lunar soil could quietly reveal distant galaxies, detect subtle gravitational waves, or facilitate crystal-clear communication with interplanetary missions. These lunar observatories would expand humanity's cosmic senses, quietly changing our understanding of the universe itself. Even lunar agriculture, once purely speculative, now quietly emerges as a realistic pursuit. Scientists envision growing plants directly in nutrient-enriched lunar soil, developing advanced hydroponics, and recycling water in closed-loop systems. Successfully cultivating lunar farms would mark humanity's quiet triumph, demonstrating our capacity to sustainably support life beyond Earth, forever changing our relationship with the cosmos. The moon also quietly influences our understanding of the human psyche. Future inhabitants will face isolation and psychological challenges unique to lunar living, providing invaluable opportunities to study resilience, cooperation, and mental health. These insights could quietly inform medical and psychological practices on Earth, subtly reshaping human understanding of mental well-being in isolated environments. Furthermore, the moon could quietly facilitate global cooperation on an unprecedented scale. Joint international lunar missions, uniting nations and cultures in shared goals, might subtly encourage peace, diplomacy, and mutual understanding on Earth. In this quiet yet profound way, the moon could serve as a catalyst for global unity, inspiring humanity to transcend terrestrial divisions. Moreover, lunar environments offer a unique laboratory for testing artificial intelligence and robotics. Autonomous rovers, drones, and robots quietly navigating lunar terrain could advance AI development significantly, opening new frontiers in autonomous exploration, remote operation, and robotic assistance, advancements that quietly promise to benefit Earth-based industries, healthcare, and daily life. Ultimately, the moon remains humanity's eternal companion, gently encouraging us toward continued exploration, discovery, and evolution. It quietly reminds us of our interconnectedness, of our shared humanity, and of the boundless potential awaiting us beyond Earth's horizon. As we prepare to return, the moon quietly beckons, promising extraordinary discoveries, profound insights, and adventures that have only just begun. Quietly suspended in the vast darkness, the moon remains humanity's ever-watchful companion, a gentle luminary illuminating both our nights and our imaginations. Though silent and serene, it subtly shapes the fabric of life on Earth, influencing tides, ecosystems, and human consciousness alike. Its patient presence quietly encourages us to envision possibilities beyond our terrestrial boundaries, inviting us deeper into the cosmos and closer to our ultimate potential. The lunar surface, seemingly barren, reveals astonishing complexity beneath its tranquil facade. Recent discoveries suggest hidden pockets of volcanic glass, quietly formed billions of years ago during violent eruptions. These microscopic beads could hold trapped gases and precious materials, resources quietly waiting to fuel humanity's lunar expansion, transforming how we view the moon from passive neighbor into active partner in exploration. Meanwhile, advanced lunar bases envisioned for the near future promise revolutionary breakthroughs in architecture and sustainable living. Innovative modular habitats, 3D printed directly from lunar soil, would provide safe, robust shelters for long-term human occupation. Quietly, these lunar communities could pioneer new standards in energy efficiency, waste management, and ecological responsibility, lessons that quietly ripple back to Earth, reshaping urban life here at home. Beyond practical achievements, the moon holds deeper, quieter truths about our human identity. Astronauts recount profound emotional transformations as they gaze back at Earth from lunar orbit, experiencing overwhelming awe, humility, and interconnectedness. These quiet insights redefine humanity's sense of self, subtly urging us toward greater global compassion, unity, and environmental responsibility. Even lunar dust, long regarded as a nuisance, quietly presents unexpected scientific opportunities. Its charged particles, continuously influenced by solar radiation, provide an ideal setting for experiments in electrostatics, radiation shielding, and advanced electronics. Quietly harnessing these properties could lead to groundbreaking innovations, technologies essential for deep space exploration, as well as practical applications on Earth. Furthermore, the moon quietly offers humanity a vantage point for planetary defense. Instruments positioned strategically on its surface could detect and monitor near-Earth asteroids more precisely, offering critical early warnings and potentially averting catastrophic impacts. The moon thus becomes a silent guardian, quietly protecting Earth and humanity's future.
In addition, lunar gravity quietly opens unique frontiers for medicine. Reduced gravitational forces allow studies of human physiology impossible on Earth, revealing subtle effects on bones, muscles, cardiovascular systems, and immunity. Quietly, these studies could revolutionize healthcare, informing treatments for diseases, injuries, and aging, enhancing human health both in space and on our home planet. Moreover, lunar missions quietly inspire unprecedented collaboration among nations, encouraging diplomacy through shared scientific goals. Multinational lunar outposts could foster lasting global partnerships, subtly bridging political divides and quietly nurturing a more cooperative future on Earth. Finally, the moon gently reminds humanity of the boundless possibilities awaiting us. Its silent presence quietly inspires exploration, creativity, and ambition, encouraging us to transcend limitations and embrace our cosmic potential. As we prepare to return, the moon quietly promises profound discoveries, incredible adventures, and an extraordinary future waiting patiently just beyond our familiar horizons. In the tranquil darkness of space, the moon remains a gentle guardian of humanity's endless curiosity, a timeless orb silently guiding explorers, dreamers, and visionaries alike. Its delicate radiance quietly bridges generations, reflecting human history, culture, and imagination in its soft glow. Yet beneath its calm appearance lies a remarkable frontier, quietly holding the keys to our cosmic future and patiently inviting us towards unprecedented discoveries. Beneath the lunar surface lie fascinating magnetic anomalies, mysterious pockets where magnetic fields quietly defy current understanding. Investigating these subtle lunar mysteries may reshape fundamental theories of magnetism and planetary science, quietly providing new insights into the origins of both the moon and Earth itself. Equally compelling is the moon's role as a platform for groundbreaking astronomical research. Future lunar observatories, shielded from Earth's interference, could quietly peer deeper into space than ever before, unveiling secrets about black holes, distant galaxies, and the universe's earliest moments. These discoveries would quietly expand humanity's cosmic understanding, redefining our place within the vast, intricate tapestry of the universe. Even the moon's unique orbit quietly influences scientific inquiry. Its predictable position allows precise testing of Einstein's general relativity, gravitational theories, and fundamental physics. These subtle lunar experiments quietly promise profound revelations, potentially unlocking new dimensions of scientific thought and understanding of the cosmos itself. The lunar surface also quietly presents a unique opportunity for artistic and cultural expression. Future astronauts may create art installations, monuments, or time capsules, quietly capturing humanity's collective hopes, dreams, and identity.
These lasting lunar artworks would symbolize unity and shared purpose, subtly preserving human culture for countless generations to come. Remarkably, lunar regolith quietly offers promising materials for innovative technological advancements. Scientists envision extracting silicon and metals from lunar soil to create advanced electronics, solar cells, and batteries, quietly revolutionizing energy storage, power generation, and communication systems for both lunar outposts and Earth-based communities. Furthermore, the Moon's stable environment quietly opens possibilities for quantum communication and computing. Establishing quantum networks on the lunar surface could enable secure, ultra-fast communication across vast cosmic distances, quietly transforming how humanity shares information and expanding our technological horizons. In addition, the lunar night, a 2-week-long period of profound darkness and extreme cold, quietly challenges human ingenuity. Future lunar missions must innovate technologies for energy storage, thermal management, and sustainability to overcome these harsh conditions. Quietly, these solutions promise transformative impacts on Earth-based industries, from renewable energy to infrastructure resilience. Even more profound is the potential for lunar habitats to serve as test beds for innovative governance, economics, and social systems. Isolated lunar communities could quietly pioneer new models of cooperation, resource management, and social harmony, providing valuable insights that might quietly reshape society on Earth, fostering greater sustainability and collaboration. Ultimately, the Moon remains a quiet yet powerful symbol of humanity's boundless imagination and ambition. Its serene presence invites continuous exploration, quietly encouraging us to embrace uncertainty, innovation, and transformation. As humanity once again reaches towards its silent shores, the Moon quietly assures us that our most extraordinary journeys and our greatest adventures still await among the stars. Suspended gently in the infinite dark, the Moon stands as a quiet testament to human curiosity and our enduring desire to explore beyond our terrestrial boundaries. Its silent presence, eternally orbiting Earth, softly whispers of mysteries yet unsolved, inviting humanity deeper into the cosmos with every shimmering moonbeam. Beneath its deceptively tranquil surface lies an archive richer than any earthly museum. Each lunar rock, crater, and valley holds silent testimony of cosmic events that have shaped our solar system for billions of years. Future exploration could quietly uncover these stories, profoundly reshaping our understanding of planetary evolution and perhaps even the origin of life itself.
The Moon's subtle yet persistent gravitational influence quietly maintains the delicate balance essential for life on Earth. Without its gentle pull stabilizing our planet's axial tilt, Earth's climate could become volatile, threatening biodiversity and human civilization. In this quiet way, the Moon safeguards Earth's ecological harmony, subtly ensuring conditions for life remain stable, balanced, and nurturing. Future lunar settlements quietly promise unprecedented opportunities for technological innovation. Engineers envision deploying advanced autonomous robots, solar energy arrays, and sustainable living modules, quietly demonstrating humanity's potential to thrive independently of Earth's resources. These lunar technologies could transform industries on Earth, from renewable energy to robotics, enhancing our planet's sustainability and resilience. The Moon also quietly invites humanity to reflect deeply on our collective identity. Its distant yet visible presence reminds us daily of our shared cosmic journey, subtly urging global cooperation and unity. International lunar missions and habitats could quietly foster unprecedented diplomatic bonds, nurturing mutual understanding and peace, transforming humanity's relationship with itself and our fragile home planet. Moreover, lunar conditions quietly offer unique possibilities for education and public engagement.
virtual reality tours, live broadcasts from lunar settlements, and immersive lunar experiences could subtly inspire new generations to pursue careers in science, engineering, and exploration, quietly planting seeds of curiosity that grow into powerful visions for humanity's future. Even lunar challenges like exposure to radiation, extreme temperatures, and limited resources quietly inspire solutions that could revolutionize life on Earth. Innovations in radiation shielding, insulation, and sustainable resource management developed for lunar environments promise to quietly reshape Earth-based healthcare, housing, and urban planning, subtly improving lives worldwide. Finally, the moon gently symbolizes humanity's greatest dreams and aspirations. As we look upward, its quiet presence reminds us that our journey into space is not just about scientific discovery, but about understanding ourselves and our place within the universe. It quietly encourages us to continue striving, exploring, and innovating, whispering softly that humanity's most extraordinary stories are still waiting to be told. Thus, as we stand poised on the threshold of a new era of lunar exploration, we recognize the moon not simply as a distant satellite, but as a quiet companion, guiding humanity toward endless possibilities. It inspires us to reach higher, dream bigger, and embrace the unknown, gently reminding us that our destiny is not just here on Earth, but among the stars themselves.